today is the day I discovered this talent. A lot of girls make their lay their frontal themselves. Like I'm like, are you blessed with something I'm not blessed with? So today I'm gonna lay my frontal and we're going to do it together. If I lay this frontal, it is over for you. It is over for all of you. Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is maryahamba. So today I'm gonna be laying this frontal. I want to believe that these are the two things I need to lay this, Abby. This and this and this, right? Because I just realized I don't have a tail comb. It's the same must I have a tail comb. Don't worry, I'll be the first person to lay frontal with that. And guys, if you are just joining this channel, you're welcome. Please be sure to subscribe, like, drop a comment, and share my video. Yeah. So let's do it. Wait, I actually want to get my nails done because most girls that I see them lay their frontal, they do it with their nails on. So I wanted to show you guys that I've got some talent. So I fixed my nails. I'm going to lay the frontal with my nails on. It's my forehead for me. She holds her happiness in her forehead. Don't play with her. And I've got that talent that you have got. So what do I do first? No, I'm going to follow my mind. My mind says ready. It's Bob. How will I do this thing? But I am a queen. I am no queen. Queen. But first of all, it needs to be on both ear sides, Abby. Yeah. Then next, what I see them do is calling. I have a delivery. I'll be right back. We will lay this frontal together. Under this weather. In Bakada. Hey, see wahala. Right back. So I just received a package. Let's get back into the styling. Because I'm gonna lay the shit. I'm gonna disappoint you all. For those that do not believe in me, I do not believe in my skill, you all will be disappointed. So if I put the hair now, then I have to measure it ear to ear. So it's there now. So next up, I need a bigger mirror. Take it back. This is where I want it to be. So now I'll take it back, Abby. Then apply this. It's gonna be since I do not have a tail comb, I will be using my brush tail to spread this. Am I supposed to spread it in or spread it out? I should have watched the video before starting this thing. But why would I watch the video? I'm a pro. And I will slay this like one. So just spread this out. There you have it. I didn't have a hand dryer. So I'll just wait for this to dry out and become transparent. Look at that. I can't. I sound like I know what I'm doing, but I absolutely have no idea of what I'm doing. That's so cool. So we're gonna let it dry. I don't know why I keep looking at the, what's it called? The monitor, the other screen for the camera, and not at the lens. So looking into the lens and not into that. So I'm going to let this dry up. I'm such a pro. Like, you can argue that even the pros know that I'm prouder than them. That's dry fast though. Should I lay it now? I think I'll put it though. Okay. So now next up, I'll put the lace on where the glue is. I think I need to bring the glue forward because it's really not staying. It's coming off. Oh. I won't give up. So this part seems to have laid. Yeah, but I think I still have to put more on the edges. I think I even need to hold both sides for them. Oh, do I need to hold it like this? If I hold it like this, how then will I continue what I'm doing? I'm not like yelling at you guys, I'm yelling at myself. Oh, it stayed. Oh, it moved. Okay, it stayed, but it moved. Okay, just that shit needs to dry. My cough word is too much. It's moving, no, it's not staying, no. I don't even know what I'm doing. It's moving. It's not staying, it's not staying. But you know what I will do? Since this part has refused to stay, the next thing I'll do is I'll take some of the gum. I know what to do. Just small of it. And those edges that just put it around there. It's coming. I think I should use this comb to hold the hair and then can you see that? Look at that. Can you see that? It looks like it's glued. So believe me, you don't want to see the sides. You don't lay. But sides, you don't lay. But this is the part that concerns because this is the part people will see. So if I get this right, I think I'm okay. But I'm just gonna try. So I rather fail knowing I tried than not do it fine at all. So I'm just going to put this around these corners. And then I see the reason why I need the tail comb because for some reason it wasn't going to stay, but I don't know which one is it wasn't gonna which one will be gonna. Okay, so I want to believe after doing that I meant to spray this, right? So I'm just going to spray this around the neck. Can you see me? Yeah, you need to watch and learn. Don't spray this around the neck. If you're learning from me, that one is your business. Because if you're learning from someone who is doing rubbish. So what I'm doing here is I'm trying to put the spray gun so it can hold it better. For some reason, I feel like I'm spraying my hair and not. I'm spraying my hair and not the lace. But one thing I know for sure is I came this far and I'm proud of myself. So next up, hey Charlie is coming up. Oh, hey, stay back. So I think what I'll just do next is I don't have any hair. I have the band. So I'm just gonna tie this around it. around it, right? Yep. Whoop. How do you guys do this? I got this. Oh shoot! Never study work finish. I go dey fix note to use work. So now, after tying it, we wait for it to dry a little bit. So while I wait for it to play professionally, this will get glammed up off camera because I don't have the time to glam up for you all to see. But if you really want to see it, I can. So it's going to be a quick one, nothing serious, nothing too much. Ta 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 ta. We're done. So let's get glammed up. So let me give you a quick hack. Let's call this hack 101. If you're wearing your makeup and you don't have a band with you or you don't have a scarf or your hairband with you, tuck it into your dress. You've learned one or two from me today. Guy, you've learned. You can't tell me you've not learned something from me today. So you're welcome. You're welcome. Keep that knowledge and use it right. Use that knowledge right. Hi, I love the foundation. The name is wiped up, but you still see it? Using more. I don't think I said. My camera went off and I did not know while I was applying the mascara. So anyway, I did this using Color Beauty mascara. So you can check out on Instagram. One of the best mascara I have and I love to use. So now I'm just gonna put on my lashes off camera and I will be back. And there we have it. Okay, guys, so now I'm done looking gorgeous. I'm going to take out the band so we can see the magic we did. So drum roll. So I had a feeling I did rubbish, but I tried my best. So I'm just going to. It's even giving me headache. If I do say so myself, I did great. At least I tried. It late. Maybe not properly. Anyway, here is the look. If I'm going to rate myself, I'm going to give myself 5 over 10, which is good. 5 over 10 is average, so it's very good. So, guys, thank you for watching. And please be sure to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share my video, drop your comments. And if you know you're a professional and you know how to lay, please be sure to let me know how to do it in the comment section. So my next video or my next trial, I shall do better. I tried my best, but my best wasn't enough. Thanks for watching and bye.